Meaning of greenfly.
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 Greenfly. Greenfly is a common name for aphids, small sap-sucking insects that are known for feeding on the sap of plants. They are often green in color and can reproduce quickly, making them a common pest in gardens and agricultural settings. Despite their small size, they can cause significant damage to plants by depriving them of nutrients and introducing diseases. Effective methods of controlling greenfly populations include using natural predators or applying insecticidal soaps or oils. Overall, greenfly are an important consideration for anyone engaged in plant care or agriculture.